Hi, I'm Ashley, an occupational therapist that works with patients after shoulder surgery. After your shoulder surgery, your surgeon will typically have you start phase 1 exercises. This focuses on maintaining range of motion of the joints below the shoulder and gently stretching the shoulder to prevent swelling and stiffness. If you have a nerve block for anesthesia, expect to have limited sensation after surgery for 2 to 4 days. Once the sensation returns, you will start your exercise program and complete the exercises 3 times per day. Each exercise you'll be instructed to complete 5 to 10 repetitions as tolerated by your pain. Exercise 1, scapular retraction or shoulder blade squeezes. In this exercise, your arm is resting at your side and you are to squeeze your shoulder blades back. Think about squeezing a marble between your shoulder blades, avoiding shrugging as this will increase tension into your neck. Exercise 2, elbow flexion and extension. Stand with arms straight at your side with the palm of your hand facing forward. Bend and straighten your elbow gently, moving in the full range of motion. Exercise 3, forearm pronation and supination. With your arm at your side, rotate the palm up and down. Exercise 4, wrist flexion and extension. With your arm at your side, bend your wrist up and down in the full range of motion. Exercise 5, finger flexion and extension. Create a full fist with your hand followed by fully straightening your fingers. You can use the ball attached to the sling to work on your strength in your hand also. Exercise 6, to maintain finger motion and coordination, touch each finger with your thumb. The final exercise is the pendulum, which is a gentle stretch to the shoulder. Start by relaxing with your arm at your side, hold on to a chair with your non-surgical side, and lean forward to dangle the surgical arm in front of you. After the shoulder feels relaxed in the dangled position, start to sway your body to passively move the arm forward and back. As you feel comfortable with this, you can start to swing your arm in a circular pattern. It is important to have the body move and create the momentum to avoid using the shoulder muscles too early. Complete this exercise for 30 seconds to 2 minutes as tolerated by pain. If you feel tightness at the end range of motion with any of these exercises, gently hold at the end range for 2 to 5 seconds and motion should gradually improve. None of these exercises should increase pain. If they do, start gently at 5 repetitions and increase to 10 repetitions.